How to add items to cart on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now head towards the item that you want to add to the cart. If you cannot find the item in the shop page, what you can do is, at the very top you'll see the search box. Over there you can search for the item. Once you find the item, click on it. Now select the details for your item. Then you'll see the option of Add to Cart at the bottom. Click on that. With that, the item will be added to the cart. Do the same for other items as well. Select the details of the item, size, colors, quantity, and then click on Add to Cart. Now you can click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find all the items you have added to your cart. So this is how you can easily add items to cart on Shein. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.